I'm surprised that I can't see it. This place actually won a Japan national competition for the best okonomiyaki in Japan. Yo, Chris Player here. We just arrived at this very famous shop, Fugetsu. This is one of the most famous okonomiyaki places in Kyoto. It's across the street from Kyoto Station in the big Yodobashi camera building, which is a big electronics building. They also upstairs got, to be honest with you, almost every restaurant in this 6th floor restaurant area is tasty. I mean, I've been to several of them and I can highly recommend. So we're gonna go inside and show you this very famous okonomiyaki dish. This is the most famous one right here, the cheese okonomiyaki. Moldanyaki means that you put noodles in it, right? So this is the most popular. So we have this and maybe one other thing. All right, excited guys? Let's go inside. That was pretty cool. She put the egg at the bottom and the cheese on top of the egg and then the okonomiyaki on top of that. The one with the noodles. The one without the noodles is no cheese, no egg, just mixed. Squid, pork, squid, pork, and I think, shrimp. So shrimp. Mayonnaise is very common. Actually, normally when I eat okonomiyaki, I ask for less than normal, but I want you guys to see the actual amount that they would put on. So there's sauce, sweet sauce. Okay, so now the next thing you do is we cut it like this. Usually you cut it in like little, maybe 6 parts, depends on how big it is, and this is a huge one, so we'll do 6 parts for sure. This place is famous for the size of their okonomiyaki, and this is really hard to cut, to be honest. Ooh, I'm having a hard time. That one I think I got pretty good. It's really thick. Okay, so we'll take this part, put it on my plate. Oh, didn't get it very smoothly there. All right, here we go. Actually, this place is famous. I have to be honest with you, I've eaten here 3 or 4 times before, so I know what it tastes like. It's really good. You can almost see the cheese melting with the noodles. Oh. It's really hard to cut actually because it's so stuck together. Okonomiyaki is delicious. I have to admit, when I first saw it, I thought it was weird looking, but I absolutely love it. All right, this is Chris from Beers in Japan. If we get to Japan, try out okonomiyaki. Please subscribe to this channel, it'll really help me out, and we'll see you in the next video.